Okay, let's talk about something we've all experienced, the absolute agony of being on hold. But what if that whole frustrating wait time could just disappear? Today, we're going to dig into how technology is completely flipping the script on customer support and really what that means for the future of business. Let's get into it.
Ugh, we've all been there, right? You've got a simple question, but you're stuck in this endless loop listening to that same tinny music over and over while a robot voice tells you how much your call is valued as your time is just ticking away. It is a universally maddening experience. And, as we're about to see, that frustration, it has a very real cost.
You know, that feeling of being stuck on hold isn't just a minor annoyance. For a company, it's a direct threat to their bottom line. So let's break down exactly what's at stake when customer support is just plain slow. It's a pretty simple equation, really. When customers wait, they get frustrated. And frustrated customers, they don't stick around. We're not just talking about one lost sale here. That frustration leads to bad reviews, it hurts the brand's reputation, and it creates this ripple effect of lost money. In our world today, patience is a super limited resource, and businesses just can't afford to burn through it. So if waiting is the problem, what's the solution? This is where technology, specifically artificial intelligence, steps onto the scene. And it's not just here to lend a hand, it's here to completely change the game. So the tech at the heart of all this is what we call generative AI. Now, don't think of it like one of those simple, clunky chatbots. Think of it more like a super intelligent assistant. It's built to understand the nuance of your question, to predict what you might need next, and then deliver a spot-on answer almost instantly. This isn't just about being fast, it's about being intelligently fast.
All right, that all sounds great in theory, but what does it actually look like when you're using it? Let's pull back the curtain and see how these smarter tools really deliver faster, better service.
This is where you really see how AI builds this incredibly efficient system. First, it handles all the easy, repetitive questions, what are your store hours or what's the return policy? And it does it 24/7. Just that simple thing frees up your human experts to focus on the really tricky problems that need a human touch. At the same time, the AI acts like a smart receptionist, sorting through requests and bumping the urgent ones to the front of the line. It can even act as a co-pilot, whispering answers and suggestions to a human agent in real time during a conversation. So this is what the new journey feels like for a customer. It's just so much smoother. You ask a question and boom, the AI gives you an instant answer. But if your problem is more complicated, the AI just seamlessly hands you off to exactly the right person to help, and they already have all the info. No more repeating your story 5 different times. I mean, when you put the two models side by side, the difference is just night and day. On one side, you've got the old way. Long waits, 9 to 5 hours, and totally overwhelmed agents. And on the other side, instant answers, 24/7 help, and agents who actually have the tools they need to help you. It's a huge shift from a system that creates headaches to one that actually creates solutions. But wait, it gets even more impressive. This isn't just about robotic speed. This is where something called agentic AI comes into play, and it brings personalization to a massive scale. This kind of AI can recognize if you're a premium member, remember what you liked last time, and it can even analyze the words you're typing to tell if you're getting frustrated, and then escalate your issue before it becomes a big problem. I mean, that's a level of service that was pretty much impossible before.
Okay, so it's faster, it's more personal. But does it actually move the needle? What does this mean for the business's bottom line? Let's look at the data and see what kind of advantage we're talking about.
All right, take a look at this number, 17%. In the world of business, a jump that big is, well, it's huge. But what does it actually stand for? This number is the key to customer loyalty. That's right, it means happier customers. Studies show that businesses using AI for customer service can see their satisfaction rates shoot up by as much as 17%. That is a direct line from faster, smarter support to customers who are happier, more loyal, and way more likely to tell their friends about you. And the benefits don't even stop when the chat ends. The AI is always learning. It's using machine learning to analyze thousands of conversations to spot patterns and highlight recurring problems. Like, is everyone getting stuck on the same page of your website? The AI will flag that. This data basically becomes a treasure map that lets you fix not just one person's problem, but the root cause for everyone. So, what's the big takeaway here? This isn't just about a cool new tool. It's about a massive shift in what it takes to actually compete in the market today. And, this is a real game changer, especially for small and medium-sized businesses.
This kind of tech isn't just for the giant corporations anymore. AI-powered support gives smaller companies the power to offer the kind of instant 24/7 service that used to require a massive call center. It really does level the playing field.
Which really brings us to the core idea. In a world where your customers expect answers right now, investing in this kind of technology isn't just a nice to have anymore. It is absolutely essential.
So that leaves us with one last question. In the world of customer service, every single second matters. Is your business ready to make every one of them counts? Thanks for tuning in.